Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make raised donuts. Start by warming your milk to the perfect temperature, between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for waking up your yeast. Then, gently combine the warm milk with a touch of sugar and your active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes wonderfully foamy, indicating your yeast is ready to work its magic. Now it's time to bring your dough together. Add the activated yeast mixture to your dry ingredients, along with eggs, melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until doubled in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your classic donut shapes and their centers. Carefully transfer these cutouts to parchment-lined baking sheets, giving them enough space. Cover them loosely and let them proof for another 30 to 45 minutes, allowing them to puff up again. Heat your frying oil to a precise 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. Remove them and place them on a wire rack to drain. While still warm, dip them into your preferred glaze, ensuring they're coated evenly for that perfect, sweet bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.